Good morning students. I am your computer educator Neha. Today we will learn about database and database management system. As you understood very well, database is an organized collection of information. Also we can visualize database diagram. It is a collection of information where we can place data. So organized collection of information that contains data in the form of table. Not only one table, it consists of number of table which are logically related to each other. You can see in one example country table and another is currency table. We can consist in a single table country currency table, and in the another table, another example, one table is order and another table is product, and from these two tables we can make order detail. This is your logical related data in a database. So we understood that DBMS. So DBMS comprises of database management system. It is a software which handle database. So database is handled by DBMS. As like that, students handled by their teachers. In the simple language, database management system is a software package with computer program that control creation, maintenance and use of database. It allows organization to easy development of database for various application. Database application or program you studied earlier, for example MS Access and OpenOffice Base. A database is an integrated collection of, you knew it very well, record, field, file and other object is available here. Database allows different user application to concurrently access the same database. You can see in this diagram, your central system is database server. Here all information and data is placed here with their number of clients attached there. As like that, roll number 1 is also attached with database 1. Roll number 2 is also attached with database, and roll number 3 is also attached with database. All students attached with their database server. Database server contains all information on the single place. That is the big advantage of DBMS. Here you can see another example. In middle you can see data server, one client's request for rename, one client request for delete, another client request for upload. On the same time every client request with database server, and in response to every request, server respond to their client. So data can be organized into two types, flat file and relational. On topmost table you can see this is the flat file example. All data carries in a single table, and the relational database you can see data contains in one or more table. Flat file database which contains only one table. Simple and easy to use, but their problem is that data redundancy. Any record can be repeated on any time. And data integrity, data correctness is a main issue, and inefficiency. Data may be entered many times, that is the insufficient and waste memory of your system. So now we understood there are some advantages, disadvantages, and when we can use flat file structure. Advantage is all data is placed on the single location, familiar and easy to work with flat file database. No learning of flat file database is needed, and no manipulation of data files prior to analyze. It means we need to change any data on the single place, we no need to change any other place. But disadvantage is that only a limited number of ES can be calculated per study. One copy of study material is not enough for every student, and any adjustment applies to the ES must be done repeatedly. It means if you done any one task, you have to do it with the same time and same energy with many times. Then we can use flat file database. When you are working in a small organization, then you can use flat file. Number of coded variable is modest, and comfort level with multiple data file structure is low. Then we can use flat file data structure. Now we understood relational database model. Relational database consists of rows and columns and easy to work with it and flexible with many clients, and due to manipulation of relation between table ensure that there is no ambiguity. It means when we change any data in a one table, then another table will transmit that change automatically. Disadvantage of relational model is it carries large number of tables and physical storage consumption and slow extraction of meaning from data. We can extract data in a slow speed. Thank you for today.